welcome to Crypto Night, the crypto investor channel. I'm Boris, so let's dive in. I'm with Colton today. Hello, Colton.
Hey Boris, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the Crypto Night channel, everyone. Let's dive right in. Today we're going to be talking about the crypto forecast, or the past month for crypto. And my first question for you today, Boris, is it's another month of it going sideways. Why does it continue to go sideways?
Well, mainly because it's summer and there's a few things that are putting people in a holding pattern. So like I said, summer usually low volumes, people on vacation, people are not doing much. So obviously there's not a ton of price movement. We saw a little bit of a dump. There was a little bit of a fear early in August, which make it drop a little lower than I thought it would. But it recovered extremely fast in just a matter of 3-4 days. We were back to the range, But right now, we're waiting for September to see if there is going to be a cut from the Fed, and most likely they've done everything except to write it, on their website that they will cut. So it's pretty much a for sure thing that they're gonna cut. The only thing that's more of the unknown is how much. Is it gonna be 0.25% cut? Is it gonna be 0.50? Is it gonna be 1%? I mean, it's going to be most likely, I would say probably around maybe 0.5% they're going to cut back. So with lowering interest rates, that means the US dollar is going to be lower in value against other currencies like the euro or the British pound or etc., the yen. So that usually helps risky assets like crypto. The other thing that everybody's a little bit waiting on as well is, of course, knowing the results of the US elections in November to see if it's going to be Democrats who are not too much in favor of crypto, or if it's going to be the Republicans who are a lot more pro-crypto. And in that case, that would probably help pump the rally even further. So it's going to be two folds, really. It's going to be one, the interest rate that's going to help. Two, the people coming back from vacation starting to resume purchase and start having, the bull market kind of resume from there. And of course, some extra afterburners speed, depending if it is a pro or not so pro crypto government in the US. So that's pretty much where we sit right now. And it's probably, it looks like it's going to resume, I would say, in about a month. So we have probably another month of sideways action.
Awesome. No, thank you, Boris. I appreciate it. And you pretty much answered my second question for you today, which is, when is it going to go up? You pretty much answered all that right now. My last question for you, Boris, though, is what are you going to do now? Are you going to buy? Are you going to sell? Or are you just going to hold right now?
Well, I'm looking at the numbers. I think at this point, going below 60K is probably going to be more and more difficult. So if it does happen below 60, I probably will purchase a little more. Technically, you should have already all your bags packed already. But I would say that any number below 60, right now we're at 62,300. If we look over the past 24 hours, we've gone down a little bit. I mean, basically, we had a big pump on the 23rd, where we went from 61 all the way up to 64,300. Now it's going back down a little bit to 62,300. If we revisit 59,000 or any number below 59K, I think it's worth it adding a little more to the bags. And after that, you can be otherwise in a holding pattern, because really what Raoul Pal calls the banana zone, when things go crazy and things go up, will probably start, I think, around the October, late September to early October date, roughly. That's when it will start, but it will go crazier and crazier, all the way through the end of the year and probably into part of 2025. And then we will probably talk soon about when is it a good time to sell, or how to sell and start exiting positions that are winning positions. That's something we will discuss probably as we enter the zone. So we'll probably start doing resume the videos pretty soon with doing about a video per week. The reason we had stopped is there was not a whole lot going on. It was summer. There was no reason really to report anything, because there was not a whole lot of things going on. But we'll resume, weekly, so that you guys are, kept with some fresh information. But from what I can tell, another 3-4 weeks before we see really things resuming, and that we go back and we break the all-time high, which is right now sitting around 73,737. It's the all-time high. So we're 15% below right now. So that's probably when we break this, that we will really start going into the crazy part of the bull run. That's it for today. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Colton. And we look forward to see you on the next Crypto Night video.
I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.